बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is Decor Art signing in. So viewers, this is very amazing and very unique and incredible DIY garden decoration ideas. These are super amazing and most unique and very beautiful planter decoration ideas for you guys, and I hope you like this video. So viewers, keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful and these are very unique and very incredible and very outstanding garden decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are super amazing and most beautiful planter decoration ideas for you guys. I hope so you like this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super incredible and most demanding planter decoration ideas for you guys. These are very pretty and very unique garden decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, you must try these garden decoration ideas at your homes. These are super incredible and very beautiful planter decoration ideas for you guys. So keep supporting my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very unique and very amazing and very beautiful collection for you guys. Always take care guys, always be happy. Keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are very stunningly pretty and very unique collection for you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and these are very stunning, these are very unique and very pretty collection for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. keep supporting my channel. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.